Radhe Radhe! Hello bachcho! Welcome back to Twin Minds Education, where expert teachers help you build strong concepts with complete clarity. So bachcho, as we have learned the first method, that was the direct method of calculating mean in our last video. In this video, we'll be beginning with the second method, that is assumed mean method. Let's begin now. As I already told you, we have done the first method, that was the direct method of calculating mean. Now we are going to start with our second method of calculating mean, that is assumed mean method. One thing which has already been discussed, but we are discussing again, that we are having three methods to calculate our mean. The first method is direct method, second is assumed mean method, the third is step deviation method. In this video, we are going to start with assumed mean method. Now, why do we use assumed mean method? The very benefit that we are getting from assumed mean method is it is used to make our calculations easy and quick. Now children, look at the question. In this question, we have been given class interval. Already explained what is the meaning of class interval. This means from 10 to 25, how many children are lying, that how many. This 2 means the frequency. What is the class mark? Class mark already done in the previous video. Class mark means the middle of these two values, 10 and 25. The middle is 17.5. How do we calculate that? 10 plus 25 by 2 gives us 35 by 2, which makes 17.5. Hence, we have calculated all these values. Now, from our class marks, which we also call it as xi or x dash, we have to assume any number to be our mean. For example, I will assume this as my mean. This is what we call is as assumed mean. This will be assumed mean. Okay, and the same A I have written here also. This is my A. Now coming to the next column, what does it say? It is D dash. What is D dash? D dash is basically xi, that is the class mark, minus our assumed mean, and our assumed mean was 47.5. Many times children ask that, ma'am, when we have even number of observations, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6, like in this question we have 6 observations, so ma'am हम middle value कैसे ले? Because हम ये बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए बोलते हैं कि आप लोग ना जब भी assumed mean लेना हो तो आप middle value ले लीजिए. अब इसकी middle value तो ये भी ले सकते थे या फिर ये ले. मैम इन दोनों में से कौन सी ले? आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी ले सकते हो. आपके आंसर में कोई फर्क आएगा? नहीं आएगा. योर आंसर विल बी द सेम. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप इसको इस वाले assumed mean से भी करके देख सकते हैं. योर आंसर विल बी सेम. बट सिंस हमारे पास एक लिमिटेड टाइम होता है तो मैं आपको इस assumed mean से अपना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगी. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट DI. व्हाट इज DI? xi minus 47.5, that was our assumed mean. Okay, so that means 17.5 minus assumed mean, that is 47.5. Answer is minus 30. Then again 32.5 minus 47.5 is minus 15. A minus A, 0. Then what will be our answer? 15, 30, 45. That's our DI. Now coming to the next and the last column, what is it? FI. Fi means the frequency, DI means this column. That means we have to multiply our frequency with DI, which means 2 into minus 30 minus 60. So I have written all the values for you. Two things that are required for the final answer, they are the total of this column, that is 435, and the total of this column, that is 30. You can do the calculation in your rough column. I have done it for you. So now we'll be applying the final formula, and that's the last step of our question, that is x bar means mean. Okay, The formula for assumed mean is assumed mean plus total of Fi, Di and sigma. Sigma means total of Fi, that is frequency. These two columns we have done the calculation in the question itself. Now coming to the numbers, our assumed mean was 47.5, FIDI was 435 and FI was 30. When I will do the complete calculation, my answer will sum up to 62. Okay, so now here our question is complete. You will now see two questions on the screen. These are your homework. You can solve them, ask any doubts in the comment section, and you can also mail us at twinmindseducation@gmail.com. You can post your answers on the WhatsApp number or in the comment section, or you can mail them also. For any type of one-on-one online coaching or batches, you can contact on this number or mail us at twinmindseducation@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Radhe Radhe.